In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps to create a body warmer using some iron powder and salt. You can bring it along on chilly days while camping, hiking, or riding your motorcycle, or you can apply it directly to your body to help ease muscle or joint pain. Make sure to stick around and catch the whole video. As you can see, the thermometer is reading 50 degrees right now. I've jotted down all the details and measurements on this sheet for you. You can easily have them or double them, depending on what you need. For instance, if you like to use it in your sleeping bag or your pockets. So we need 80 grams of iron powder, 6 grams of salt, 15 grams of active charcoal, 15 to 25 grams of sawdust, depending on your preference if you want it last more or heat faster. The more you add sawdust, the more it lasts, but the oxidation process will be slowed. To finish up, you'll need to sprinkle a few drops of water to kickstart the iron oxidation process. Remember, you need to use cotton breathable fabric for this process, not nylon. Spray water on the mixture. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Now you have a warmer that its warmth can last between 5 to 6 hours. Hope you like this. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tricks like this.